Me say, hurry, go.
Let's just do this.
Tell me when.
So the Cubs fan approached a Sox fan wanting to make a bet about last Friday's Cubs-Sox game.
We're not making
the Sox fan was not scared. The Cubs fan wanted my parking space, which is very valuable. I said, that's fine, but when you lose, you have to walk around outside and cluck like a chicken. This is what happens when you're a diehard Cubs fan.
Follow me.
So I have to move my arm.
Yeah, oh yeah. It's gotta be loud too.
I'm going behind this next tool truck. Alright, I will walk down to that white truck and back.
You want to practice?
Do you want to practice?
Yes, and clock.
Oh. Hey,
Keep clocking.
that sounds more like a goose.
Come on.
That sounds more like a goose than a chicken. Finish strong. Finish strong.
I'm done.
Oh.